发现谚语
Discovery Proverbs
谚语展现语言之美与智慧之妙。熟读谚语700首，不会作诗也能文。
Proverbs present the beauty of language and the wonder of wisdom. A wolf in sheep's clothing.
相似、相关或相反的中文谚语及俗语。披着羊皮的狼，面善心恶，人面兽心，口蜜腹剑。
Similar, related, or antonymous sayings. The beads in the hand and the devil in capuche. Fair without, foul within. He is honey in the mouth and a razor at the girdle. Beads about the neck and the devil in the heart. The cross on his breast and the devil in his heart. A fair face, foul heart. A honey tongue, a heart of gall. Sources: Matthew 7:15/Matthew 7:15. Uncle Carrie said, Raphael has been making up all sorts of ridiculous excuses, trying not to make the payment to us. We should have asked him to pay in advance, before we shipped the merchandise to him. Dad said, now we know he is the type of person who is a wolf in sheep's clothing. Talk of the wolf, and his tail appears.
说到狼，它的尾巴就出现了。相似、相关或相反的中文谚语及俗语。说到曹操，曹操就到。
Similar, related, or antonymous sayings. The devil is never nearer than when we are talking of him. The devil is never far off. Speak, talk, of the devil, and he is bound to appear. Anderson said, talk of the wolf, and his tail appears. There comes Chris. Jake said, he doesn't look friendly. What do we do now? Cooper said, nothing, just be cool. Remember, union is strength. There are 3 of us. The wolf may lose his teeth, but never his nature.
狼会掉牙，但本性不变。相似、相关或相反的中文谚语及俗语。江山易改，本性难移，狗改不了吃屎。
Similar, related, or antonymous sayings. An ape's an ape, a varlet's a varlet, though they be clad in silk or scarlet. The ass loaded with gold still eats thistles. Never went out ass and came home horse. He that sends a fool expects one. Send a fool to the market, far, to France, and a fool he will return again. How much the fool who goes to Rome excels the fool who stays at home. An ass is but an ass, though laden with gold. If an ass goes a-traveling, he'll not come home a horse. The fox may grow gray, but never good. The leopard cannot change his spots. Once a thief, always a thief. Alan said, I just found out Billy is still making troubles even though he has been suspended for some time. Anderson said, well, what can I say? The wolf may lose his teeth, but never his nature.
谢谢观赏。
Thank you for watching.